See what happens when you just get a little bit of girlfriend yelling at you?
My doodle got squished.
Oh, you'll
Lost
be
my sunglasses.
You'll be alright.
Need to do that. Hello guys, welcome from my home on that quarantine life, you know. And I thought to myself, well, technically I can go out and ride some trails on my own, but I was like, that's normal. And like, you know, there might be some people who can't go do that. So like, I'm gonna try and make a mountain bike edit from my house. Now there's gonna be a lot of trees and stuff around because we've been like cutting trees down all day because like we just get really bored and we're just like go cut some trees down, do some, you know. Why are you holding it so low?
I don't know.
You lift it up higher, dude.
My arms aren't made.
I've got Stephanie behind the camera today. You know, she tries her best. She's not good at this. I still miss John. So John, still miss ya. Everyone leave a comment in the comment section saying how much I miss John. But anyway, so there's like this garden drop feature here. So as you can see, I cut down like this big tree. There's like a big tree right in front of the house up there and I cut it down the other day. So I'm gonna roll in, drop down here and then continue. And then I'm gonna drop down this over here and then land on the street. So that's like, I guess, one of the trails. And then like the next thing I'm gonna do is like, got this like concrete little wall here. I'm gonna see if I can just ride down the whole thing. The drop at the end is quite big actually. So yeah, the drop at the end here is like really big. So I'm gonna have to keep some speed. But yeah, so, and then maybe like ride down the stairs. Quarantine's really getting to me. I probably should just go ride normal trails. But for today's video, we're gonna try to do this. I actually haven't tried it at all. So it's literally gonna be filmed first time. So this could be funny and painful for me, I guess.
Oh shit! Oh, look at this.
We're on the front lawn. My bad.
Damn. It's alright, it's weeds anyway.
I need to actually jump. That was just like a roll. Pretty sure
It's a roll test.
Yeah, I'll try to jump it and then I'll roll the next one and then we'll do like a, cool.
Woo! Shit!
Dropping. So the two little fun drop downs were like really actually a lot of fun, and I don't know why I haven't done that earlier in my quarantine. So I'm gonna try to tackle this guy here, but it's gonna be hard because I have to start with no speed, and then it's gonna take a lot of balance. So this is probably gonna hurt. I don't even know how to begin to say.
Yeah.
Oh. No! Still got it. Still got it. No, I don't.
Trust the flow. See what happens when you just get a little bit of girlfriend yelling at you?
My doodle got squished.
Oh, you'll
Lost
be
my
alright.
sunglasses.
You'll be
I
alright.
need to do that again and lift up on the down.
Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, do it! Trust the flow, trust the flow, trust the flow, trust the flow! Yeah!
That was actually fun.
Okay.
Alright, sweet. Now the last thing to do is ride down the front stairs. So I'm gonna come outside of the house, from the front door, down the stairs, and I'm gonna jump off this thing. The last drop, and I guess that's at home mountain biking. Unless I can figure out something else I could put somewhere. But actually, you've got that pallet. I can maybe make a bit of a jump somewhere. Your face doesn't look like you want to build a jump. Anyway, alright, let's get up there and do this last one.
Lizzie. Hello. Hello.
Are you filming him?
Yeah.
Oh. See, here's the tree that I cut down the other day. You know, Well, I guess that's it for me today, guys. That is my mountain biking at home. To everyone out there, hopefully you're all doing well. If you do have the ability to go ride trails, go for it, go have fun, make sure you keep your distance away from each other. If you don't, maybe look at your house and see if there's something that you've always sort of wanted to, I don't know, maybe jump off or start something like that. Yeah, this idea came to me seeing as I'm technically on self-isolation or self-quarantine and I shouldn't be going out. But there is a clause that says, I'll pop it up here, it says, if it's for like exercise or something, you can, as long as you stay away from people. But yeah, so I just want to give a quick shout out to Bicycles Online. Obviously, I'm a brand ambassador for them, and they're still, you know, all business as usual. So if you guys are in need for any biking accessories, be sure to use the promo code AP150 and you'll score yourself 10% off, or even if you are looking for a new wheels to get around, you know. I think it's super important in this self-quarantine time that we make sure that we're still exercising and staying fit and healthy. But besides that, guys, hope you're all doing well. Get outside, do something fun. Tell your parents that you love them. And besides that, like and subscribe and all that other jazz. But have a good one. Peace.